What's good, everyone? Thank you so much for being here today on another episode of Tradingview Tips. Today, I'm going to be diving into something very quick and simple that I wanted to share with you guys. So, I'm going to go to the homepage of tradingview.com. So, just go to tradingview.com and it'll pop open this very page that we're looking at here. And I just want to share with you guys and bring to you guys' awareness the sale that's been going on. Okay, so there's two sales that happen on tradingview.com annually. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the regular prices for these for the Pro is 179, basically 180. Pro Plus 360, and then Premium 720. Okay, these go up almost every year. They've been going up since I've had TradingView. They go up very little, but they do go up. Okay, but what my main focus is with you guys today is showing you that every single year so far, and I have faith that they'll continue to do this even throughout beyond the recording of this video. Every single year they bring this 40, 50, and 60% off. Okay, and personally, this is where I get my subscription at every single year. Okay, I get it through this sale. Maybe you'll catch it throughout the Black Friday sale, which will be like all red and everything. It looks really badass as well, like as what you guys see here, but all red, basically the exact same thing, except this says Black Friday. And so the Black Friday sale starts on the Monday of the Black Friday. Okay, on the Monday of the Black Friday week. Okay, so the Monday that week of Thanksgiving, for those of you who aren't in the US, Thanksgiving is in November. It is if I'm not mistaken, I may be totally mistaken, but I believe it's the fourth Thursday of every November. I could be totally wrong, but correct me in the comments if I'm incorrect on that. So it's the fourth Thursday of every November, and therefore that week of Thanksgiving, starting that Monday, you guys will see a Black Friday sale. Now the Black Friday sale goes on all the way till Friday, obviously, and on Friday it ends, and then the Cyber Monday sale starts. And they're both exactly the same thing. Okay, guys, they are exactly, I cannot express this enough. They are exactly the same thing. Okay, so you guys don't have to stress it. All right, they are exactly the same thing. You guys have, basically, they give you from Monday to Cyber Monday, and they give you all this percentage and discount off. Now, guys, if at the time that you're watching this video, it's not this time of the year, it was the same thing for me when I got put on the sale. And so what I did, okay, at the time when I first started this journey, like 3-4 years ago, I didn't have the capital to be paying $700 like monthly or 300 and something. So what I personally did is I did the monthly payments. Okay, I did the monthly payments on this until I got to my Black Friday sale. Now, let me give you guys a tip. I was like 3 months away from the Black Friday sale when I found out about it. Okay, and so I paid 3 months monthly payments, and then I got the Black Friday deal for an annual subscription. I believe the annual subscription is the best way to go. If you're an investor, you're in it for the long run. So if you're in it for the long run, this shouldn't be an expense. It's an investment. It is the cost of doing business. You're going to come across a lot of subscriptions. You're going to come through a lot of investments. Okay? And they can only be a liability if you don't apply yourself to it. So if you're going to apply yourself to this skill set, I highly, highly suggest that you find you either pay for it yearly, okay, which is what a lot of people do, or you can pay for it month to month until it gets to the Black Friday sale. If it's further away from you, I suggest that go with the Pro Plus. Okay, this is my suggestion. I am not a financial advisor. This is just what I would do. If I'm like 6+ months out from this Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday sale, I'm getting the Pro Plus annual, okay, which is about $360. And I'll just get that. And then I'll just upgrade to the premium when I get the opportunity of the Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday sale. These are the things that I suggest doing. You don't have to. But I would say though as well, like, you could also get the annual and premium. It's really up to you. If you have the capital to just be able to buy both of them, go ahead. The days do roll over. Like, you don't just pay for the annual and then pay for another annual and start there again. Like, no, as you guys can see, like my account here, your account has 457 days. I just purchased the Black Friday like yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay. And so just so you guys are aware, like 457 days of my current plan. Okay. So 457 days, because I had about 60 something days rolling over from my previous subscription. Because not only do they give you an annual, but they add a free month to it as well. So you get 13 months for it's nothing. Like, guys, it's such a good deal. Please do not sleep on these deals. If you're an investor, if you're a day trader, this is the deal to go with every single year. TradingView is such a useful platform. There's no way that you look at stocks, assets, currencies, cryptos without having TradingView, guys. This is the best way to go about it, in my personal opinion. Okay. This has been my best investment so far, and I highly encourage you guys all to join me on this journey. And I'll continue to put out videos and TradingView tips to help you guys and get you guys beyond to the next step. Because again, like, I was paying month to month, and I was even considering paying the yearly. I was completely unaware that there was a sale on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Completely unaware of this. So I'm going to make you all aware right now that this exists. Whether you're watching this 2 years from now, 10 years from now, tomorrow, a week from now, I don't care. I want you guys to be aware that the opportunity to be able to save on your investments is available. And with that, guys, I'm going to see you guys on the next recording. Again, I appreciate you guys all being here with me today. Much, much love, and catch y'all soon. All right. I'll drop the link for TradingView so you guys can sign up or get access to this page down on the comments below. And yeah, guys, take care, be great, and love you guys. All right. Peace.